everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am still sick, but I feel 100% better than what I did yesterday. I just did not want to do anything, so if you guys ever want to follow me, if I'm not going to do a haul, like I usually do a schedule of my hauls, but if you guys follow me on Deals by DesignerJen or my Facebook Ibotta team, you guys can be my Facebook friend. I do have a link below. You just have to go down a little bit, but it's for Facebook Ibotta friends only. I get a lot of creeps. And I'm sorry if I do deny you, you guys actually do have Ibotta, just redo it. But the people that I deny, they don't fight me on it because they're creeps. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now, I did pretty good. It ended up becoming a moneymaker. Sorry, I'm still a little stuffed up, but I think I did pretty good. So I got more of those OxyClean coupons. Thank you, Max. Max is one of my subscribers. He sends me coupons all the time. Thank you. You guys are super awesome when you guys send me mail. I go and check my PO maybe like once a week, maybe twice a week, but I checked it right when I got back from vacation and I saw that he sent me coupons. So again, thank you, Max. So these are $3.99. You guys want to use those $3 off coupons that we got, or there was $3 printables that were on coupons.com that are no longer available. But you guys would just get these for 99 cents. So he sent me 2 of those coupons, so I could not pass it up. So I ended up getting 2 more of those because it's such an awesome deal. Now I got this big jug of hydrogen peroxide. Now my store didn't have this labeled in the regular aisle, but they have like end caps of like first aid stuff. Well, they had it labeled there, which was kind of weird, but I'm like, whatever, I'll still take it. So these were not on sale. These are their normal price. It said it was 2 for $3. They're not the buy one get one 50% off. So they're 2 for $3. You guys want to buy 2 of them. You guys would pay $3 for these, but then you guys get 3,000 points and they come out to be free. This is the value size. It is 32 ounces. I don't know how much stuff I need with hydrogen peroxide, but hey, you can't go with absolutely free stuff. So these would be absolutely free. This is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. So I just took 4. My store did have more, but I just took 4. I'm like, you know what? I think that's all that I needed. And this is an all-month thing, I think. I can't remember what the tag said, but had to get 4 of those. I know, my hair, it's just all in my face. I love it. A lot of you guys have said you loved my hair lately, which I love because I needed a new do. I ended up doing the Olay deal. Now my store only had one of these. These were $8.99. So if your guys' store can get those, otherwise do those. And my store only had 1 of each. So this was $8.99 and this was $9.49. There's a deal where if you buy 2, you get 1 free. And then there's also a digital coupon for the Walgreens website for $10 off of 3. So this one they automatically made free. Looks like they cut the box open. But this one they already made free. So these you guys would end up paying $8.98 after that coupon takes off. So these come out to be just $2.99 a piece. So that could be a pretty decent deal. One's 2 ounces, the other one's 4 ounces. So, oh, it's got some SPF in it. That's kind of new. But one's for sensitive skin, another one's for normal skin. But can't go wrong with that, but it has to be the Olay Completes, just to give you guys a heads up on that. I ended up doing the Leave deal again. Now, a lot of you guys are saying that the coupons, the machine only lets you do 2, and they'll have to enter it in. If your store has problems, just do 2 per transaction. But the coupon says you can use 4 per transaction. So I'm gonna go back and do more because this coupon deal is only good for a week. So the Leave is $6.49. You guys would use that $5 off coupon that we got in this past Sunday's paper in the Smart Source. Plus there is $1 off of 1 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. you guys would just get these for 49 cents. Now there is a deal, if you guys look at where the coupon you cut, there's a deal where you guys can get like a movie ticket or something, but I'm not even going to bother wasting my time for it. And there's Catalinas that have been printing off, but I didn't get any Catalinas, so had to go with those. I ended up getting the L'Oreal Aleve. Now, I have not gotten shampoo in a while. I have not gotten shampoo wasted. I've gotten laundry wasted, but I have not gotten shampoo conditioner wasted. These were 2 for $8. Now, they did limit those coupons 1 per transaction, which I understand, but I think it's kind of dumb. But 1 per transaction. You guys would get, these are 2 for $8. Use that 4 off of 2 coupon. You guys also want to use that $2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get these for $1 a piece. So if you guys are brand loyal, go for it for $1 a piece. Can't go wrong with that. I probably will be going back to do more because I got like a Catalina for another spend 10,000 or whatever, so I had to go with those. Sorry, I'm just emptying my little bag. I got more in here. Okay, so the next deal I did again was the nice powdered sugar. Now this is the old box, but it does not expire till March of 2019, so I'm like, I wasn't used to the old box. But the powdered sugar and the brown sugar, these are $1.29. There is a $1 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get these bad boys for 29 cents a piece, and that is a great deal. You guys can do a lot of baking, like cookies and all that stuff. So I got more of the light brown and that regular sugar because I plan on giving some of these to my mom so we can make cookies and all that fun stuff. I ended up getting Almay eyeshadow. I am not a big fan of this eyeshadow, but there's ways I could start becoming a fan. But Ben picked out these colors. He picked them out. He wanted these colors. These were $6.99. They're on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use that $2 off of 1 coupon, you times 2 that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. Plus there is a $2 off of 1 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You just scan that coupon once and it'll take it off for both of them. You guys will end up getting both of these for just $2.48 or $1.24. So if you guys really enjoy that, I also ended up getting the petroleum jelly skin protectant of, oh, okay, I'm just reading when these expire. But these are the little bad boys that we got of petroleum jelly. I don't know what I could do with all these. But these were $1.99. They're on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. So $1.99.99. You guys would just pay $2.98 for 2 of them. But then you guys get 3,000 points where you guys can pay with points and get points. So this ends up becoming free or just a 2-cent moneymaker. So I wanted to get some points, so I ended up going with that. When I looked at my app after I left, I only need 26 cents more to get beauty. Isn't that crazy? So yeah, that was my haul. I got a little bit of different things than I wanted to, but I really wanted to get the Head and Shoulders deal, but my app did not show the coupon. Now, if you guys also check your Walgreens app, or you should get an email, there is a perk for coming up for spend 25, get 10,000 points. Check that out. That starts, I think, the 13th. It goes for a couple days, but check that out, you guys. Now, those, you guys can use coupons with that, so it's after Walgreens coupons, but before manufacturer coupons. So if you guys bought like a 25 of these. Make sure you factor in that it's $1 after the Walgreens booklet. So you guys would only can get these for 29 cents. So just giving you guys a heads up. But yeah, so my total came to $16.31 for everything. I ended up getting 19,000 points back. I did get a Catalina from Sunday, and I can't remember if it was 5,000 or 7,000. I did not do the math on my points, but I ended up getting 19,000 points back. Now, if you guys look at the back of the receipt, 18,000 points is actually $20. So with me getting 19,000 points, I technically got $21 back, if you guys really think about that. So this ended up becoming a $4.69 moneymaker. I got everything for free, plus they paid me to take stuff home. Sounds like Ben just woke up from his nap, so he's gonna be a sad little boy. Hi, baby. Oh, tears and everything. He thinks I'm gonna leave him, and I didn't. So he just woke up from his nap. He's a little dirty, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my Walgreens video, and I will see you guys later. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a third haul because of, I don't know, I probably will. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. I hope you like this video and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, see you guys later. Bye-bye.